I welcome you all to the next function of marketing management, next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with the fourth chapter, second topic, that is marketing research, types of marketing research, and methods of marketing research. Clear to it? Okay, before that, we'll deal with what is market research, what is the definition of market research. You would like to know why, how, and when to apply market research. Do you want to discuss why and consumer are not buying your product? Okay, definition है marketing research is defined as the process of evaluating the flexibility of a new product or service through research conducted directly with potential consumers. This method always organize a business to discover their target main kit, collect and document options, opinion, and make information informed decision. Market research can be conducted directly by organization or companies, or can be outsourced to agencies which have expertise in this process. The process of market research can be done through displaying, surveying, interacting with the groups of people, also known as sample conduct interview, and also similar process. Primary purpose of conducting market research is to understand or examine the market associated with a particular product or service, to decide how the audience will react to the product or service. The information obtained from conducting market research can be used to tailor marketing, advertising activities, or to determine what are the features, prime priorities, service required, if any, of the consumers. Three keys objective of market research क्या है? Key objectives: first one administrative, second objective social, and third objective economical. Administrative: help a company or a business develop through proper planning, organization, and both human and material source control, resources control, and thus satisfy all specific need within the market at that time. Social: satisfy consumer specific need through a required product or service. The product or service should comply with the requirement and preferences of a consumer when it is consumed. Economical: determine the economical degree of success or failure a company can have while being new to the market, or otherwise include new product or service, and thus provide certainty to all actions to be implemented. वाई मार्केट रिसर्च इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट? क्योंकि वैल्यूएबल इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, कंज्यूमर सेंट्रिक के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, फोरकास्टिंग के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, और कम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेजेस के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. Conducting research is the best way of achieving consumer satisfaction, reducing consumer charm, and eliminating businesses. Here are the reasons why market research is important and should be considered in any business. First वाला है valuable information. It provides information and opportunities about the value of existing and new product, thus helping business plan and strategies accordingly. Customer centric: it helps to determine what the consumer need and want. Marketing is consumer centric, and understanding the consumer and their need will help businessmen design product and service that the best suits them. Next, forecast: by understanding the needs of consumer, business can forecast their product and sale. Market research also helps in determining optimum inventory stock. Competitive advantage: to stay ahead of competitive market, research is a vital tool to carry out competition situation. Businesses can devise business strategies that can help them to stay ahead of their competitors. Type of market research methods and example. Within an organization, a business wishes to know purchase behavior of the consumer or the likelihood of the consumer paying a certain cost for a product. Market research helps in drawing meaningful conclusions. Depending on the methods and tools required, following are the types. First one है primary market research, a combination of both qualitative and quantitative research. Primary market research is a process where organization or business get into touch with the end consumer or employ a third party to carry out the relevant situation to collect data. The data collected can be qualitative data or quantitative data. medical, or statistical data. While conducting the primary market research, one can gather two types of information: explanatory and specific. Explanatory research is open ended. When a problem is explored by asking open ended question in detailed view from, usually with a small group of people, also known as sample. Here, the sample size is restricted to 6 to 10 members. Specifically, research, on the other hand, it is most pointed and is used to solve the problem that are identified by explanatory research. And as mentioned earlier, primary market research is a combination of qualitative market research and quantitative market research. Study involves semi-structured or unstructured data collected through some of the collected through some of the commonly used qualitative research methods like focus groups, one-to-one interview, ethnographic research. First one है focus group. Focus group is one of the commonly used quantitative research method. Focus group is a small group people, involves 6 to 10 who typically respond to the online surveys sent to them. The best part upon focus group is the information can be collected remotely, can be done without personally interacting with the group members. However, this is more expensive method as it is used to collect complex information. One-to-one interview. As the name suggests, this method involves personal interaction in the form of an interview where the researcher asks a series of questions to collect information or data from the respondent. The questions are mostly open-ended questions and asked in a way to facilitate responses. This method is heavily dependent upon the ability and experiences of the interviewer to ask questions that evoke responses. Ethnographic research. This type of in-depth research is conducted in the natural setting of the respondents. This method requires the interviewer to adapt himself to the natural environment of the respondent, which could be a city or a remote village. Geographical constraints can be a hindering factor in conducting the kinds of research. Ethnographic research can last for few days to few years. This method is once conducted while using pen paper. This has now evolved by sending structural online survey to the respondent to gain actionable insight. Researcher tends to use modern and technology oriented survey platform to structure and design this survey. Clear to it? Okay, next one is secondary research method. In that, secondary research method uses information that is organized by other sources like government agencies, media, channels of commerce, etc. This information is published in newspaper, magazine, books, companies, websites, free government ads, and non-government agencies, and so on. Secondary source makes use of the following: public source, commercial source, educational source. First one is the public source. Public source like libraries are an awesome way of gathering free information. Government libraries usually offer service free of cost, and a researcher can document available information. Commercial sources already relates an expensive local newspaper, magazine, journal, televisions, media, and great commercial source to collect information. Educational institution, although not a very popular source of collecting information, most universities and educational institutions as are a rich source of information, as many researcher projects are carried out through them and make any business sector. Clear to it? Cleared it? If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.